Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video I'm going to show here how to use Google Chat. What you're gonna do see here is about to have Google Chat is in front of you, about to go to understand that kind of certification which can't be really already to be dependable how this important thing is. So first of all you need to do is about start to go over here the corner where you have the Google Chat. It's gonna be really satisfied with the moment that you started to go for this describing how the design is on you can see the new chat. You can actually start to create space or browse spaces, and then you can see that you have it on the place where you can do, and then you can start to add a create contact, which is going to be like this. You can have this progress which is going to be create contact, and then this is going to actually be one of things. I'm going to start it to really quick to see here kind of tasks you can have like Google Keep and other things. So that's all about to know how this gonna work. You can actually start to chat with these people if you want, and you can add members, share files, assign tasks, adding some kind of tools in the button. So that's all about